One final quote from the preface material. This is in the author's note. This is page 20, otherwise known as XX in the introductory material. And he says, "And if freedom still does not dawn on my country for a long time to come." He began writing this in 1958. And it was somewhere in, I think, 67 is when this was published. Let's see, 73 is looks like when he published it. So he's writing from 67, or mentioned 67 in here. But he says, "If freedom still does not dawn on my country for a long time to come, then the very reading and handling of this book will be very dangerous, so that I am bound to salute future readers as well on behalf of those who have perished." When we take up a dangerous history like Gulag Archipelago, dangerous to tyranny, when we take it up and we read it as honest an account of what actually happened as a writer of Solzhenitsyn's ability, 600 pages here and 2 other volumes, as faithfully as he can lay it out there. When we take up that book and we read it and give him a charitable reading, the benefit of the doubt, that these things actually did happen, that he did have 227 others who helped him with this, that were we to go and to start investigating whether these things were so, that we will find plenty of people who can attest to the truth of what is in these pages. When we take on reading something this dangerous, we need to be aware that it's dangerous reading. This type of thing, I didn't buy this from an unlisted bookstore. I bought this online. There's a record in a database that Dr. Jeff Kreh bought Gulag Archipelago, the whole series, and other things that I've bought and that I'm reading. And somewhere there's the capacity for someone to say, all right, these are the 15 books that we've decided that if people have read these, they are dangerous to what we are going to try to accomplish. This is one of those types of books. And so it is nice to have Solzhenitsyn recognize that we should be saluted for reading something so dangerous and for taking on such a dangerous cause as pushing back against tyranny, of equipping ourselves with the awareness of what it looks like for a tyranny to rise and to operate, and then for us to have the comfort of knowing that we can overcome.